So over here you can see that I have a report, and let's say what I want to do is if the price is greater than 500, I want it to be marked as red in the field right here. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to be on the report view right here. And once you're on the report view, you can go around onto the view option right here, and then you should first go to the layout view. Once you go around onto layout view, you should select out the field that you want to apply conditional formatting in, and then you can go around into format, and over here you can see conditional formatting is an option. So once you click on this, what happens is that you can see that price is selected right now. So what I want to do is I want to apply a new rule right here. So I'm going to go around and check the values in the current record right here. So let's say if the field value is, so you can add in different expressions right here, like in between, equal to, or less than, greater than. So what I want is I want to add in something called greater than right here. So let's say if the value is greater than 500, that is the condition I want. So I'm going to go around and select 500, and over here in the background color, I'm going to make it, let's say for example, red right here. And for the text, I'm going to make it white. So let's say this is what I want, and I want it to be bold as well. So I'm going to press OK right here. And if I were to press apply, now you can see that all the values that are greater than 500, it is highlighted in red, just like this over here. So now you can see that this is 586, it's highlighted red, whereas 250, 220 and so forth is not highlighted red. So that is how you can work around with conditional formatting for values in a record inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.